This tutorial explains how to retrieve the runtime name, ID, and runtime URL in Boomi. You will learn the steps necessary to locate and share this information with support. The runtime name, ID, and runtime URL are found in the Boomi platform under the Runtime Management section. The Runtime Information panel displays these details when you select a runtime from the list. Click the Manage menu to access Runtime Management options. Click here Runtime Management page to open the Runtime Details page where runtime information is displayed. On the left side, you'll see a list of all runtimes, basic runtimes, runtime clusters, and runtime clouds available to your account. Click on the runtime you are interested in. When you select a runtime, the Runtime Information panel appears on the right. Here you will find Runtime Name, displayed at the top of the panel. Runtime ID, a unique identifier for the runtime. You can use the copy button to copy the ID for reference or troubleshooting. Runtime URL. While the panel does not explicitly label a runtime URL, the host name field shows the name or IP address of the machine where the runtime is installed. For cloud runtimes, this may display the cloud name. If you need the actual endpoint URL for API or process execution, check the process deployment details or the web services server component configuration. We can see the label called Runtime ID beside it. We can see the unique ID, which is the Runtime ID, and we have a Copy button option next to the Runtime ID. Click the Copy button to copy the Runtime ID to your clipboard for sharing. We can see the runtime name here under the environment name, and can see with the Runtime Information selection. For the selected runtime instance, copy the URL from the browser for the runtime URL and share to support if they ask to share. The panel also provides other useful details such as status, environment classification, version, and RSS feed links for monitoring. Click Runtime ID, required, to focus on the field containing the runtime identifier. Click the timestamp to view the last runtime restart date and time. Click Startup Properties to access configuration details related to runtime startup. Click Last Runtime Restart, required, to view the most recent restart information. Click Last Runtime Restart, required, to ensure the information is accurate. Click Maximum RAM Available, required, to check the memory allocation for the runtime. Click Runtime Time Zone, required, to view the configured time zone for the runtime. Click Java Information to access details about the Java version used by the runtime. You have successfully retrieved the runtime name, ID, and runtime URL information in Boomi. This data can now be shared with support for troubleshooting or configuration purposes.